I think one of the main things that I came to you for was because I was sometimes, yeah, very dramatic, screaming, kind of just generally out of control and almost in a form of a panic attack and not being able to control those emotions at all. Um, Almost hysteric, like watching a small child having a tantrum. I often found that I was triggered from inner child stuff, especially when it came to my sister and to friends or comparing myself, and that I would spiral and go into this thing of being like, I can't do it, I'm not valid, I feel silly. I also am trying to start a new business, which is to be a grief coach, and I do think that this has a lot of it to deal with, to do with in terms of healing that side. And I felt a bit stuck, and there was a lot of imposter syndrome, which was very much connected to the inner child. So I was very stuck, and just generally in believing in myself and taking a new path that I've never done before alone, and yeah, pushing myself towards a business that I've never done before, and having this internal battle between myself and my inner Alice.
And so, how do you feel now? And what do we have, like 3 sessions over about like 6 weeks, right?
Yeah, we had 3 sessions over 6 weeks. I feel much better. I've been meditating at least every day for at least a minimum of 15 to 20 minutes. I've been feeling a lot calmer. I've been finding myself being much more present, enjoying the flowers, enjoying the wind, kind of like moving around, or if the wind is around me, embracing that. Um,
And so, do you feel a little bit less triggered?
yes, I definitely feel less triggered, um, and much more conscious about the way I speak and what I do and the way I treat myself, the
Yeah.
relationship I have with myself. Yeah.
And meditation before, were you able to sit down for 15 minutes or was
No,
that
no,
too much? Too much?
too much. I generally found I used to get quite itchy and annoyed and kind of agitated, and it was quite difficult. Um, and I do believe that from me doing the physical side and putting myself through the pain and continuously going and continuously moving and showing my soul and my body that, with perseverance you see the difference. So for me, I think that that's given me the strength and the courage to be able to do this type of activities with you, and in terms of meditations and the live meditations that we do as well.
What was the biggest thing that really got you to drop into your heart?
I think for me, the biggest thing to drop into my heart was just that I'm just tired of dealing with that inner child, and I wanted to be able to walk hand in hand with her and love her and embrace her and not have to battle her, because I was exhausting myself from, like, physically, mentally, spiritually.
Fighting,
Uh, yeah, yeah.
rebelling and fighting. And now you guys are friends, right?
Now we're friends.
Now
Now we're
you're
best.
friends. That's awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you very much too. Thank
Bye.
you.